Hello, in this video I will show you how to use wallpaper engine on SONY Xperia 5 Mark V. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in wallpaper engine and click search. Now click install. And now click open. And here you can use just the default wallpapers for now, but if you can use Steam Workshop wallpapers. But first you have to connect your smartphone with your PC, and to do that you have to start with connecting both your phone and PC to the same Wi-Fi network, and then click here on not connected. And click on your PC. And then on your PC click on mobile and then click on connect new device, and now you have to type in your pairing code on your phone. And as you can see, now my phone and PC are linked, and now you can choose the wallpaper that you want to set on your phone, and then click this button send to, and this is your phone name. And now as you can see, this wallpaper is downloaded on my phone, and you can select this wallpaper, and here you can align it to match your display. And now you can click here on check mark and click OK, and now click set wallpaper, and now your wallpaper should be set. Yes, as you can see, my wallpaper is now animated. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.